Hi guys, in this video I'm going to go and create a new YouTube account, and I'm not going to use a Gmail account to do it. So first thing is we're going to click sign on here, and it says create an account. You'll see here you come and you have to create a new Google account, and you have to sign up there and log in and give you a Gmail account. The trouble with that is it links this profile to YouTube, which can get a bit confusing when we're trying to edit a few bits and pieces. So I'm not going to use that. What I'm going to do is go and grab a link, which you'll see below this video, to the old YouTube sign up page. So I'm just going to pause this while I grab the link. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to type this in now. The actual address, which is also below, is accounts.google.com/new account, capital N and a capital A in account. So we're going to go there and we get the old one there. So I'm going to sign up with a new email address I've just created. Fill my details in, agree to terms of service there. So we'll ask for a verification code from a text message or an SMS, and I'll just wait for that to come in. And they would hear it come in there. I've got several accounts using the same phone, so Google doesn't seem to mind multiple accounts. Okay, so we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back to YouTube. And there we can sign in. Okay, then I've sent a verification email, so I need to go and log into my webmail and check that. So I'll pause once again. Right, here we are. I've created and verified my account. I've now got a new YouTube account in the name of 1 Minute Tips. So we're going to click in there and go to my channel. Right, so the first thing we've got to do is set up a username and channel. As I said before, if you go through the Gmail sign up, it just pulls all your profile data in. So we're going to call this this 1 Minute Tips. Okay, so we've done that. I would recommend that when you're setting up channels, you set up a new channel for every group of keywords. So if you're targeting World of Warcraft, you would find 6 or 7 keywords and set up one channel for those 6 and 7 keywords. If you're then doing solar power, I would set up another channel and target 6 or 7 keywords on solar power. If you find 20 or 30 keywords for a niche, I would set up 2 or 3 different channels and just focus on a few sets of keywords for each one. So here we're going to go to channel settings, and the first thing I want to do is go down the bottom and make sure that the location is set to worldwide. Usually when you do it, come in there, it'll be set to your country, so we'll set that to worldwide. Now we can choose a picture or an image. So one of the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a background file that I've got here. So you can't really see that very well, but it'll look quite good. Okay, and we're going to leave this at the moment. We can do that later. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a description. Now the description should have keywords in it, and your title should have keywords in it if possible. For this I'm just going to use 1 minute tips because I want to do quite a generic site, and you'll see why I've called it this in a while when we get uploading videos. The description, I'm going to try and get as many keywords as possible. Now right at the moment I'm just going to type in a few. But I'm going to do some much more research in a while and get some much better keywords. Okay, we just use those 2 at the moment. So we've done editing there. We'll go back in there again, and we're going to go to tabs, and we're going to click on the featured. You can choose how you actually want the videos to look. I'm going to leave this as creator. So what at the top, when I select a featured video, it'll appear right at the top. Blog is always a good one, and network once you've got quite a few videos. But to start off with, we're just going to go with creator, and the default tab is going to be the featured tab. And if you want to take the subscribers to the feed tab, you would click that. We're not going to bother doing that at the moment. Okay, done editing. As here you can see, we've now got 1 minute tips written. If I was doing a channel on list building, once again, that would say list building tips and tricks, or SEO tips and tricks. Well, next thing we're going to do is go over here where it says about 1 minute tips, and you can see we've got the keywords in there. Next thing we can do is, once again, I will tidy this up later. I'm just going to go through and do this for the time being. We're going to add a new link. So first one I'm going to add is might well have like on Facebook, and we'll go and get the custom URL, which I've got here. And on here I will also put links to different products that I own, and my blog. I'll go through and do that. I'll do the blog now. You notice I'm using the titles as call to actions. It just seems to work better sometimes than people do tend to go to the sites. Okay, so that's it for timing. That's all we're going to do now. So we're going to save that again. Apply. Go. Country. We're going to hide. Country. City. We're going to hide. Hide. Okay, and I'm going to hide my age as well, I think, and the date we joined. Let's hide all those. Okay, so there we go. That's our channel set up. Very, very, very few people change this, so it's very important that you do that. So that's the basic channel setup. Make sure you do all that. I will go through and add quite a good about section here. You can't have any links in there, but also you can have the links below, and you can change them around. So you can just move them around like that and apply. So you can do that whenever you want. You can put them in the order that you want them. Okay, that's that for now. Next we'll upload videos, and I'll show you how to. And I'll show you some really cool tricks that you can use. Thanks, bye.